everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane and you're at Jane's Budgeting Corner. Today we will be doing a DIY savings challenge. I know I'd asked you in a few videos back what kind of savings challenge I should do. I finally decided we're gonna do the 50 envelope challenge. So what you're gonna need is some envelopes. This is the size I like to use because it's like money size. And then, so I got that from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I got some stickers. This was from Michael's for 99 cents. And then I have my highlighter or any type of marker writing mechanism. And a little pouch or a box or a Ziploc bag, whatever you want to hold your envelopes in. Now, we're going to get one envelope. Oh, the most important thing, I almost forgot, will be this free printable that you can have access to right down below. And it has, so you've heard of the 100 envelope challenge where it starts from $1 all the way to $100. So instead, because we're only doing half the year, we're going to do the 50 envelope challenge. Let me know in the comments down below who's doing it with me. Now, we're going to do all even numbers basically. And this way we hit all like the 10, 20s, 30s, you know. Keep this on the side. And we're going to start. I'll show you how I do them. Write on it like that. The way that I had done them is I wrote half of them and I laid them all out like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So then I could put the stickers on each. So I am gonna decorate it. These are my absolute favorite stickers. They are so cute. So just like this, you know, add a little heart up in here. Oops. There you go. I'll insert a picture on what my setup looked like to expedite the process here. And now I'll show you all of them. So this is what it's all gonna look like. Super cute. And of course, I can't wait till I stuff all of them. The total amount saved for this 50 envelope challenge will be $2,550. So you have to stuff about 2 a week, and I'll show you in my next cash envelope stuffing. Thanks for watching. Bye.